All I'm saying.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am teaching you this emerald green look. Make sure to do your brows and apply concealer on your lid, and I am start off by using the Botanics cosmetic kajal on my lid because it easier to blend, so I am just apply that all over. Take a precise brush and start blending it out till it start looking like this. So after this we are take the Olano eyeshadow palette. I am using this the darkest green color and apply it on top of the black color kajal and just start blending it out like so. Also make sure to take a slightly lighter green color towards the end to just create a seamless blend, something like this. So we are take the same palette Alana, which has a stunning dark green shimmer, which is so beautiful, so beautiful. So I have applied that all over my lid like so. And now let's quickly put falsies to complete the look, and it's look like something like this. So before I go ahead with anything else, I'm just finished my base, so we can do the lower lash line, and here we are take a black color kajal. We are take a black color kajal and just apply it to our waterline and make sure it does not smudge out because we want the lower lash line to be very clean, very clean. We are take a nice green color shimmer, light green shimmer, and apply it all over the lower lash line to just complete the look. Now we take the shimmer, gold shimmer probably, to highlight to our inner corner and brow bone, and you are almost done with the look. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Love you all, and don't forget my channel subscribe if you like my video, so like the video.